In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix FiveM not launching using a few simple steps that have worked for many users. So, let's get started. Method 1. Run FiveM as administrator and enable compatibility mode. From your desktop, click the search icon and type FiveM. Right-click on FiveM and select Open File Location. When the File Explorer window opens, you'll see the FiveM shortcut. Right-click on it again and choose Open File Location one more time to access the actual application. Now, right-click on the FiveM application and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. First, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Then, enable Run this program in compatibility mode for and select an earlier version of Windows from the list. After that, click Apply, then OK. This completes the first method. Method 2. Set FiveM to high-performance graphics. If the issue still isn't fixed, right-click on the FiveM application and select Open File Location. Click on the address bar at the top of File Explorer to highlight the folder path, then copy it. Next, open Windows Search, type Graphics Settings, and open it. Click Browse. Paste the folder location into the file path if needed, locate the FiveM application and add it. Once FiveM appears in the list, click Options, choose High Performance, and then click Save. This allows Windows to use your dedicated graphics resources for FiveM, which can resolve launch issues on some systems. Method 3. Allow FiveM through Windows Firewall. If FiveM still won't open, search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the left panel. Then click Allow another app, followed by Browse. Navigate to the FiveM application, select it, and click Add. Once it's added, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Those are the methods that can help fix the FiveM not launching problem on Windows. If one method doesn't work, continue with the next until the issue is resolved. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing to TechGetter Official for more Windows, gaming, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.